Hello and welcome to my website and app presentation. My name is Kaylee Bartley. My major is chemistry education. My ideal teaching situation would be high school, so 9th through 12th grade. I'm originally from Lexington, Michigan, but currently live in Cincinnati, Ohio. My website is Discovery Education. It covers a wide variety of information from K through 12. It has tech books for teachers to use to help plan lessons for students, as well as for students to learn more and visually see what they are trying to learn. Each lesson has a background portion, videos, practice problems, and an evaluation at the end of every lesson. For high school, it covers a large content for science, math, history, and technology. Each section has a tab that shows each of those sections for the background, the evaluation, the videos, and the practice problems, as well as having a model lesson for teachers to create a plan that fits into the Kentucky State Standards. My app is Coglit, which you can find at that link for Androids. This helps students to create flowcharts to visualize how things are connected or related. It can be shared to teachers or other students. They are also able to leave comments on each flowchart. It has easy shortcuts to make it fun. It's very colorful. And then it also helps students learn how to organize and research different topics and try to connect them in a fun and creative way. Both Discovery Education and Coglit meet the needs of students. It's easily accessible for both of them and easy to navigate. There's shortcuts. And thank you.